In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into Mailjet, an email marketing platform that many marketers have turned to for its ease of use and powerful features. If you're not familiar with Mailjet, it's an email automation tool designed to help businesses manage and optimize their email campaigns. Now, I've spent a decent amount of time using the platform, and I'm here to give you an honest breakdown of what it offers and where it might fall short. First off, let's talk about the interface. Mailjet has a very clean and user-friendly design, which is great if you're just starting with email marketing. The dashboard is simple to navigate, with clear options for creating campaigns, managing contacts, and reviewing performance. Whether you're sending newsletters, promotional emails, or transactional messages, the process feels intuitive. Now, when it comes to features, Mailjet doesn't disappoint. They offer a robust email editor that allows for drag-and-drop customization, making it easy to design your emails without needing any coding skills. Additionally, Mailjet offers a variety of templates to help you get started quickly. They also provide features like A/B testing, analytics, and segmentation tools to help improve your campaigns. But like any platform, Mailjet has its drawbacks. For one, the email automation setup can be a little tricky, especially for beginners. While it's functional, it's not as polished or advanced as some of the competitors. You can create automated workflows, but you might need to spend some time learning how it works. Additionally, while Mailjet offers solid analytics, it's not as detailed as you might expect from top-tier email marketing tools. Pricing is another area where Mailjet offers both pros and cons. It's relatively affordable compared to some other platforms, but depending on your list size, it can get pricey as you scale. The free plan is decent for smaller businesses with fewer subscribers, but once you need more features and contacts, you'll have to move up to one of the paid plans. Another factor to consider is customer support. While Mailjet does provide 24/7 customer service through live chat and email, the response times can be slow at times. This can be frustrating if you're in need of urgent assistance, not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts. I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Overall, Mailjet is a solid platform for businesses that are looking for an affordable and straightforward email marketing tool. It's not as feature-rich as some of its competitors, but it certainly gets the job done. If you're a small to medium-sized business with a limited budget, Mailjet could be a great option to consider. Before we wrap up, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tips on digital tools. Thanks for watching.